Okay, so this right here is a native plant. This is poison ivy, Toxicodendron radicans. It's native to the entire eastern US, and it's actually in the family, so it's actually related to mangoes, pistachios, and cashews. How crazy is that? Poison ivy is related to mangoes, pistachios, and cashews. So it's not in the same genus, but it is in the same family, making it somewhat related to those plants. Now, this is a native species. It's important to wildlife. Most animals are actually resistant to the oil, and the plant isn't trying to be toxic. It's actually antibacterial and antifungal oil that it produces, known as urushiol. And that oil just so happens to be irritating to humans, to our bodies, because our bodies mistake it for something dangerous, and so our bodies try to fight it off because it attaches to our skin cells, and our bodies freak out, and so we get an allergic reaction. But deer and a lot of other animals are actually immune to it because their bodies work a little differently, and their bodies don't recognize it as a pathogen, so it's harmless to them. So it actually produces fruit as well, which is pretty interesting. A lot of people don't know that. And yeah, poison ivy. I just treat it like a cactus. It's actually a nice native plant as long as you don't touch it. It's actually kind of pretty. It's got nice shiny leaves. And at the end of the day, it is a native plant that does belong in the ecosystem. It's important. Even if it's aggressive, it's still native. It serves its place in the ecosystem in North America, in the US and the eastern US specifically. And you know, it's best not to remove it unless you absolutely have to. And also, it's just a really cool plant.